Hi, how's everybody doing? Happy Tuesday. Oh my goodness, you guys, this month is flying by. How did that even happen? 1 minute we're sitting here and we're like, oh, it's just started. And the next minute we're like, the month is almost over. Who even knew? It's crazy town. How's everybody doing today? I hope that you're having a fantastic day. I hope that you're taking time for yourself. You're taking time to reset, to regroup, to reground, to redirect your thoughts. And if you're showing up in this space, then you're doing that. Then you're showing up for yourself so you can empower yourself, so you can show up for the world around you in a bigger and better way. So you can actually be showing up to the world as yourself and not as a manipulated version of yourself. When we are tuning in to social media and the news and the outside world, and we become disconnected from ourselves. So taking the time out to show up in meditation, taking the time out to show up for personal self-care and just calming our entire inner voice, our inner being, it allows us to recreate that connection with self and source, and allow ourselves to really just tune into us. Tune into where are you really emotionally showing up? Where are you really taking and needing to either add something or let something go, or use a tool or a practice to help you to redirect. I love that so many of you are taking time out today to do this. Sorry, I'm almost caught up with the I wish that this automatically did it, but it doesn't anymore. Thanks for updating again, Facebook. Please stop. Right? All of us that have been using these systems for so long are like, please stop updating things. It's not helpful. You're hurting. You're not helping. You're hurting. But anyway, my rant over. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, come to the space of sitting. Whether you're sitting at your desk, sitting on the floor in your kitchen, sitting on your couch, maybe you're sitting in your favorite chair. Allow yourself to take 3 deep breaths. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. And allow yourself to let your breathing go back to its natural state of being. Allow your breath to just fall back to its natural rhythm. And allow yourself to see yourself move through 6 scenes that bring you peace. These can be 6 made-up scenes from imagination. They can be 6 scenes that Source hands you. Or they could be 6 memories that you've kept that bring you peace, that have you feel peace inside and out on all levels, mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. Allow yourself to completely feel these scenes with all of your senses, feeling, touching, smelling, hearing, everything that happens in these scenes. And allow yourself to come to the 6th and final scene. And allow yourself to see yourself walking on a long marble floor. A long marble floor that's set out in front of you. in a vast, large room. And allow yourself to see yourself coming to the space of walking up to someone standing in front of you. And you're standing face to face with this person. And you recognize that it's you. It's you, the divine version of you, the highest, greatest version of you, the source version of you, the true self within. And embrace this you. And as you embrace you, you just say, "Oh, it's so wonderful to see you. Thank you for having me here. I love you. It's been a while." And then release the embrace and have a conversation. From the space of "it's been a while," move into the space of now. And in the space of now, ask for assistance, ask for help, ask for guidance, ask for any information you may need. Even though it's been a while and I haven't seen you in so long, everything between then and now is irrelevant, and choose to let that go. It doesn't hold you back. It's merely just the steps on the path of becoming the divine you. And ask, how can I completely embrace me again? How can I completely connect with me again? How can I show up in the world as the me that is within me, the true me that is me, the I am me, the me that is you, the source me. And allow yourself to receive that answer. Allow yourself to tune into that space and receive any answer that comes from those questions that you've asked. Any answers that fulfill the knowledge you need to know to become that version of you. Anything that needs to be let go, ask that it be let go. Anything that needs to be redirected, ask that it be redirected. Anything that needs to be seen and witnessed so that you can move forward from that space, ask that it be seen and witnessed, and that you are given yourself permission to move forward from that space with ease and with grace. And ask that you be protected from each day forward, forever and ever, from any and all energies, emotions, events that are not of your highest good, that deviate from the path of you becoming the soul version of you, the I am version of you, the source version of you, the life path version of you that is your highest, greatest, most divine version of yourself. Ask that you be protected from deviating, that are not part of the true journey, that are merely just trying to get you to not show up fully in that space. Ask that those obstacles be removed with ease and grace. And allow yourself to see yourself. Hold your face in your hands. The divine version of yourself takes your face in their hands, and you take their face in your hands. And look into each other's eyes. and acknowledge that you are one. You are the same. You are that person. You are that person today. You are that person yesterday. You'll be that person tomorrow. And allow yourself to embrace yourself again. And say, thank you so much. Thank you so much for shedding light on these areas. Thank you for the gift of knowledge. Thank you for helping me to release. Thank you for supporting me, for showing up for me, for protecting me, and for always guiding me. And for continuing to do so forever and ever. And see yourself turn around and walk out of the great hall, across the marble floor. And in this moment, acknowledge how you feel. In the complete connection, the inner peace, the knowingness, we'll take 3 deep breaths and lock that in. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. And allow yourself to wiggle your fingers, roll your shoulders, and open your eyes and say, I am wide awake in this moment. And that is me every day. Wonderful. I'm so glad that so many of you are taking this time, showing up in this space, connecting with the truth of who you are, and empowering yourself each and every day when we show up in this space, when we take time out to tune in and to evaluate, where are we sitting energetically? Where are we sitting emotionally? What is going on in our subconscious mind? How are we choosing to direct our energy? Are we letting our energy go? Because believe me, I had this conversation with my husband like 15 minutes ago where I was like, what is happening today? I had this whole hamster thing going on where I was like over here and then I was over there. Tuning back into your energy, taking time out to use tools like meditation allows you to redirect, to refocus, to regroup and reground so that you can show up in your complete space, so you can create a coherent existence with yourself and not be scattered all over the place. A lot of the times people will say, oh, well, I'm so busy. No, you're scattered. You're not busy. No one's busy doing anything right now, especially, but you're scattered. So get refocused, get reconnected, get regrounded, redirect so that you can be in your space for your purpose, for your highest purpose. And sometimes your highest purpose just needs to be sitting on the couch, enjoying a Netflix, whatever. Fantastic. That's wonderful. Everybody needs that. You guys, I binge watch Netflix too on occasion. But at the same time, taking and utilizing a practice like this, we're supporting ourselves mentally, emotionally, physically, spiritually. We are allowing ourselves each and every day to tell our conscious, our subconscious, and our superconscious mind, I want peace. I prefer peace. I don't need chaos around me. I don't need chaos in my brain. I don't need chaos in my community. I don't need chaos in my home. I want the peace. I want to tune in to peace. I want to be tapped into peace. I want to radiate love. And when we show up each and every day and do that through a meditation practice, through different practices like meditation, we are continuously telling the universe, this is what I want. This is what I want. This is what I want. And then it starts to create and it starts to become. I also love the fact that when we're doing this, we're helping to calm our fight or flight response. We're helping to release the inflammation created in our body, when our fight or flight response is triggered, you automatically create an inflammation response in your body. And by showing up to tune into this space, you're allowing that to shut down. You're allowing your body to release the hormones and chemicals it needs to flush all of that out. And you are allowing your body to go back to a space of homeostasis. You're allowing your body to choose to become an inflammatory free zone, which is where your best health is. So I love it. I love you. I'm so glad you were here. I'm so glad you were taking time out to show up in this space. Again, if you feel called to, I invite you to invite others to participate in this meditation. Feel free to share this out onto your platforms. And if you want to catch the replay of this, you can go over to YouTube at Rebecca Packard, NH, and you can subscribe to my channel, and that will be up in the next 48 hours, 48 hours. It usually takes me to get those up and live in that space. And you will be able to take and have a link where you will always have access to this. And you can even create your own, like if you have a specific favorite one you like to go to over and over and again, you can share that, like you can save that link, and you can also take and create a watch list in your own YouTube. You can create a watch list of all your favorite meditations so that you always have access to them. And it's completely free, so enjoy. I love you. I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place, and enjoy your afternoon.